Meg here from I Teach Stamping. Today we are going to be making the most adorable yet simple greeting card. So let me show you this one right here. I love the simplicity of this card. I love that you can make it in just a couple of minutes. So if you like this project and you think you're going to like my style and you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, take 2 seconds, hit the red button and subscribe. All right, so let's go over our supplies. We're going to need our white cardstock, and as you'll notice, that's the only color of cardstock that we'll be using. So I have a piece that's going to be 4 1/4 by 11 inches, and I scored it at 5 1/2. And then I have 2 pieces that are 4 inches by 5 1/4 inches. Then I'm going to be using the Happiness Blooms Designer Series paper. This is on page 25 of the 2019 Occasions catalog from Stampin' Up. They're both going to be 4 inches wide. One will be 2 inches tall and the other one will be 3/4 of an inch tall. I have just 1 ink pad. That's going to be the Call Me Clover. And then I have 1 stamp set. Are you noticing a theme here? There's one of everything. And that's from the Butterfly Gala. And that is also in the Occasions catalog. And that's going to be on page 35 of the Occasions catalog. So here's the stamp set. There is a punch that coordinates with it. We're not using that, but there's pattern paper and everything else that goes with this product suite. We're going to be just using a little note from this stamp set. And then I have 1 color of ribbon. It's just a 3/8 inch wide white ribbon. And then my 10-second bow maker. Over to the side, I have adhesive and scissors, and that's it. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing that I want to do is attach my pattern paper. I'm going to add some adhesive to my 2-inch section. I'm going to line it up flush to the bottom of one of my white panels. And then we're going to add this to our other white panel. I'm going to move that out of my way. I'm going to use my grid paper so I get this on here nice and straight, and I'm going to add it 3/4 of an inch up from the bottom. We're all done with this piece, so I'm going to go ahead and add it to the inside of our card. But I like it when I make my cards to have the inside of the card match the outside of the card, and adding a little strip of pattern paper is one of the simplest ways to do that. All right, now we're ready to do our stamping. I'm going to bring in a mat. I'm going to use a foam mat because we're using a photopolymer stamp. Open up the Call Me Clover. Stamp this over to the right-hand side. And with my photopolymer stamps, I like to clean them pretty quick on my chamois. It's still going to stain, just not as bad. Close this up. And all that's left to do is our ribbon work. So I'm going to take my ribbon, measure across, and trim. And I just kiss these onto some glue dots. Mwah! Peel them off. Take it and just wrap it around to the back side. At this point, we can go ahead and add our cardstock to our card front. Simple, right? On my YouTube channel, I really try to focus on simplicity. So like I said before, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure to do that right now. All right, I'm using the 10-second bow maker and that same white ribbon that we wrapped around. And when you order the 10-second bow maker, you get all kinds of videos walking you through how to make these stunning, perfect bows. I'm just going to pull down on my tails, pull that off of my pegs. And then there I have my perfect bow. I'm going to take it and trim my tails. Add another glue dot. There they are right in front of me. Peel that off. And stick it onto my card. And just like that, we have our adorable little note card. I would be so delighted to send this to anybody. So there we have it, an adorable card I would be delighted to send to anybody. So as we said before, 1 color of cardstock, right? Just white cardstock, 1 package of pattern paper, 1 stamp, 1 ink pad, 1 ribbon, and a couple of tools, and you can make this project too. So if you like this project and want to see more like it, please give me a thumbs up on this video. Also be sure to share it with your friends. then head on over to the IT Stamping blog. Make sure you're signed up for my email list. It's going to be on the right-hand side of my blog. That way you don't miss any of the announcements I only share with people on my email list. Thank you again for watching. Again, I'm Meg from IT Stamping, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.